Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Come join me in the bathroom. Well, no sooner that I finished replacing my exhaust fan in my bathroom that my toilet started leaking. So let me show you how I repair my leaky toilet. This quick easy fix is for a Mansfield flush valve. Every time I flush, let me show you what happens. Fills up like normal. Still waiting. So I don't know if you can hear this, but it's still running. Hasn't shut off. So let's get to work. Let's take a look inside and see what's going on. What's happening is that red seal has come off. This piece is not sealing, so we've got to replace that red piece right there. Step one, we shut off the water to the toilet. There's the water shut off. Mine is a quarter turn. And finally, this is the piece we want to take off and replace. It's worn, it looks stretched. Time to get a new one. Here's the new flush valve gasket. Take this out of the package. Again, it's nice and new. Now I want to make sure that that is nice and snug on the bottom there. And now that that is snug on the bottom, I can replace this. That should seal pretty good there. Wash my hands. Should I put this back? Nope, don't forget the nut. Screw this piece back on. Insert this into the hole. Turn the water back on. Well, there you have it. It's an easy fix. It took me all of about maybe 10 minutes. Now remember, this quick easy fix is for a Mansfield flush valve. It's a flush valve gasket. Again, took me about 10 minutes to do. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe.